2.4 and question number 5. So this is a 2.4 and question number 5 and subpart 2. This is the fifth one and subpart 2. Now here यहाँ से हमको दिख रहा है कि अगर मैं इधर से या इधर से कुछ कॉमन लेने की कोशिश करूँ तो व्हाट विल हैपन, मेरे दोनों ब्रैकेट्स में यहाँ कॉमन टर्म्स नहीं आएंगी. दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू कम. So I look out for this last term which is 5 और tentatively देख लिया कि इसके क्या क्या फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. So +-1 इसका फैक्टर हो सकता है, +-5 हो सकता है. फैक्टर्स लेने का मतलब ये है कि हम देखेंगे कि इसमें मैं इन सब में से कौन सी वैल्यू लगाऊं तो मेरा फाइनल आंसर 0 आए. फैक्टर्स का मतलब क्या होता है, मेरे पास रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए. सो नॉर्मली 1 - 1 में से एक वैल्यू लग जाती है, बट जस्ट इन केस नहीं लगे, यू लुक आउट फॉर द अदर फैक्टर. सो आई हैव शोन यू ओवर हियर दैट इफ आई पुट अ 1 आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट अ 0. But if I put here a -1, I'm going to get a 0. So if -1 gives me a 0, that means x plus 1 is a factor. Because I'm getting the remainder as 0, x plus 1 is a factor. And therefore, what I now am going to do is, मैं इस polynomial को x plus 1 से divide करूँगी. Now look at the procedure carefully when you divide the polynomial. यहाँ पे x है, मुझे चाहिए x cube, क्या multiply करेंगे, x square. So I'm going to multiply it with x square, and x square into x is x cube, and x square into x is x cube, and x square into 1 is x square. So what we need is cancellation of the first term. So therefore simply reverse the signs. माइनस प्लस का फिर से माइनस, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाना चाहिए. लेफ्ट ओवर इज -4x² -9x. सो देयरफॉर नाउ सी हियर आई हैव अ x, मुझे इसको -4x² बनाना है. व्हाट डू आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस विथ, -4x, तभी बनेगा -4x². x को -4x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो -4x, and I get a -4x² and -4x. क्या किया है मैंने, -4x को इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, -4x को इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, and then again the first term should get cancelled, so I'm reversing the signs, and this will get cancelled, and I get -5x and -5. मेरे पास x है, मुझे उसको -5x बनाना है. Naturally, I'm going to multiply it with -5. So I get -5x and -5. Reverse the signs, and this is going to give me a 0 as the remainder. So now px, which was our original question, here will have the factors x plus 1 and x square -4x -5. So this becomes a quadratic equation. So what I look out for is 1 into -5, which is -5, and I look out for the factors, which is 5 and 1. 5 ones are 5, but I have a -4 in the center, so I can write it as -5 and +1, and this will give me a x plus 1 and x square -5x plus x -5, which will give me a x plus 1, and I can take a x common. The first bracket will have a x -5. I can take a 1 common. The second bracket will also have a x -5. So I get a x plus 1 and x -5 and x plus 1, which could be written as x plus 1 whole square into x minus 5. Similarly, the third one would have been, this is the polynomial given, and again I look out for the factors of 20. तो मुझे +-1, +-5, +-10, +-2 ऐसे बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स मिलते हैं. All right, like I said, normally a 1 and a -1 gives you an answer as 0. So the first thing that I'm trying out is the 1. I will see अगर 1 लगाया तो सब add हो रहा है, तो cancel तो होगा नहीं. So I tried a -1. And when you put a -1, you will see my answer is 0. So therefore, if -1 gives me a 0, that means x plus 1 is a factor. So the polynomial is to be divided by x plus 1. Now here I have a x, I want a x cube. So naturally I need to multiply this with a x square. So a x square is multiplied here. I get a x cube, and this is x square into x, which is a x cube, x square into 1, which is a x square. So I'm writing them one below the other. The first term should get cancelled out. So I'm reversing the signs, and this gets cancelled out. I am left over with 12x square plus 32x, like this. Now look here, I have a x, I have to convert it into 12x square, which means I am multiplying it with 12x. So plus 12x, and this will give me a 12x square, and 12x into 1 is 12x. Again, reverse the signs, and this will get cancelled. I get 20x plus 20. We look out here that I have a x, I want to convert it into a 20x. So that means a plus 20, and therefore this becomes a 20x plus 20. Reverse the signs, and everything should get now cancelled out, because if it's a factor, the remainder should be 0. Now, if I have to split up 20, I can take 10 and 2. You can see a plus 10 and plus 2 are going to give me a 12, and 10 into 2 is 20. So therefore, I can split this up as x plus 1 and x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20, which is going to give me a x plus 1, and I have a x common, x plus 10, and plus 2 common, x plus 10, so that x plus 10 can come out common. I have x plus 1 and x plus 10 is common, and x plus 2 as the required factors. If you want, you can write the smaller term first and x plus 10 later on.